Here is most of my stash, and I want to do another stash buster quilt. I think I want to do the one I did the last time, which was the double churn dash. And if I kind of want to do that one, but kind of do some modifications to it. But like in this blue, it's mainly most of chunks and stuff left over from when I tried to do that failed quilt that I did with the blue and the greens. So most of the ones in the blue, it's little stuff like that. So I probably won't use a lot of the blue. Got a lot of black left over from backings, and got a lot of black. So I think I'm gonna just go on YouTube and Pinterest right quick just to see if I can do something different. If not, if I can't find anything, I'll just do the same way I did last time with some modifications. I changed my mind about making the double turn dash. I'm not too fond of making a lot of half square triangles, and the last double turn dash I made, I think I did 128 half square triangles. So I'm going to do a scrappy fence rail. So I'm gonna cut these. I'm gonna cut some of these, or most of them, into 2.5 by 8.5 strips. I just have some of the strips cut. I haven't started on the green or the blues yet. So I'm just gonna take 4 of the strips and sew them together. So the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a black border.